Book of Heaven, Volume 11, March 14th, 1914. How hard it is for Jesus not to content one who does his will and takes the whole of him. Today I was fusing all of myself in Jesus, but to so much as to feel the whole of Jesus alive and real within me. While I was feeling him, he said to me, but in such a tender and touching way that I felt my poor heart crack, "My daughter, it is too hard for me not to content one who does my will. As you see, I have no more hands, nor feet, nor heart, nor eyes, nor mouth. I have nothing left. In my will, which you have taken, you took possession of everything, and I have nothing left. This is why, in spite of the many grave evils that inundate the earth, the deserved chastisements are not pouring upon it, because it is hard for me not to content you. Besides, how can I do that if I have no hands, and you do not give them to me? If they become absolutely necessary to me, I will be forced to steal them from you, or to convince you so that you yourself would give them to me. How hard it is for me! How hard it is for me to displease one who does my will! I would displease myself." I remained surprised at this speaking of Jesus. Not only this, but I could really see that I had the hands, the feet, and the eyes of Jesus. And I said to him, "Jesus, let me come."
Give me a little more of life in you, and then you will come.